Finally. 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 Welcome, everybody. Welcome back to the channel, fam. Listen, this is going to be a glorious one. This one is going to be an epic one. This one is going to be a tremendous one. Before we go any further, people, make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe right down there for brand new. Referee, hurry up and blow the whistle, fam. Let's go. Listen, I heard yesterday from MG Sports on YouTube, and I went in and did some reading myself. And Mr. Ricketts, JFF Bombard, Elder JFF President Ricketts, went to the Gleaner, our star, whatever you want to call him, and he said that I think 4 or 5 people are in the last leg, about to go over the last hurdle of transferring from their nationality to their previous nationality to play for Jamaica. And that is good news in terms of us having a developed, well experienced players that are playing overseas representing our country. Yeah, that's great news. But what's more important is that he name dropped Mason Gunwood Greenwood. Now, you man know me, and you man see every video that I've made on YouTube about this Jamaica Football Federation or football overall. And what I would say is that I have been spitting lyrically about Mason Greenwood since the first time we watch him play football for Manchester United. Yeah. And throughout all the struggles that Mason Greenwood go through on and off the field, I have been a stand defender of that man. Yeah. And the fact that JFF can go in front of the Gleaner Star, wherever I want to go, and say Mason Greenwood is going over the final hurdle. Listen to me, he might run a 100-meter hurdle and they might go over the final hurdle right now to represent Jamaica. That is wonderful news. That is wonderful news. Because the right side of our attack line is now set and match. The only time we're going to see them other people play on the right side of midfield, right side of attack line, or when they want rest Mason Greenwood, or when them not show up for that week, for that trip, this international trip, or when him injured. But may I tell you right now, moving forward, the right side of our attack line is set and match. Mason, Gunman, Greenwood. Mason, Mason, Gunwood, you know. Mason Greenwood, you know. Listen, man, that man has been the best product out of Manchester United ever since. Oh, wait, tell me. Me can't tell you fam because all of the Rashford, all of the group, the class of 97, all of them, none of them are as good as Mason Bumbo Clark Greenwood fam. None of them. It's just true the man go through some difficulties with him and him woman and society, have them what them have to say about him, draw the man them under the dirt, all that stuff. Right now he went on loan last year, Getafe, did very, very well. Now he joined Marseille, 5 goals in 3 games. What more you want? What more you want? I told you for a long time in the JFF. Pull your head out of your ass, call the bumbucker, man. Get when if you get him set up. But I'm hearing that, listen, Mason Greenwood, after he realized that his future is no longer with the Three Lions in England because of the press and all the stuff that he's been through, he has just been patiently waiting to start out his future. Patiently waiting to start out his future. Where he's gonna go, who's gonna play for. And once he's settled and realized, all right, I'm going to settle in Marseille, I'm going to settle and play football in Marseille. No, he can focus on his international football. And he will be at the World Cup next year. And that man will kill it at the World Cup next year. You remember me tell that. That man Mason Bumbo Clark Greenwood, write it down. And I was listening to Steve McLaren, not Steve, but McLaren the other day. I think I say that to them and talk and I say him the in a long ball team in a long passes, Jamaica ball for speed and him can use the speed to the advantage, kick the ball over the top, run on it, knock it down to someone else and run on behind the lines and stuff. And I get that. I get Jamaica's a lot of speed. I get the fact that we can utilize those speed against defenders who might be slower, who might not be as good in reacting when someone is running at them. Fine, I get that. But long were the days after Tia do a week more and must kick it up to Antonio and then just knock it down and take it back in Chester and score. Them days are done. Them days they're done. Yes, we can utilize the speed at Jamaica because that's what we're known for, yes. But them days are half it done, Parry, half it cancel that out. And I hear him say, and I'm gonna give you credit for that, McLaren. You said, you have to have those long passes with possession as well. Possess the ball, hold on to the ball as best as you can, and play those long passes. Fine, I give you that. But me done with tennis football. I tell you right now, I am done with the tennis football. I will watch you guys tomorrow. I will be critical. I will give you praise your praise is due, but me done with the credit with the tennis football. Me kick it to you, you kick back to me. Me kick it to you, you kick back to me. Done with them football. Yeah? Done, done, done. Absolutely fucking done. So people remember Mason Greenwood, final hurdle, going to represent Jamaica. Yo. Ah boy, man, I tell you, man, I tell you, man, I tell you. People bless yourself, bless up others. Manaz.